Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm going to be carding this ugly, dirty Angora rabbit yarn. To clean it up, I need to card and have this fantastic so I can spin it. See how dirty it is? It's all matte and she shouldn't be selling this, but the seller did refund me. So I paid $60 US, I believe. She did refund me half of it, thank God. And then she has no Etsy shop anymore. So I bought these just recently on Etsy again. It's called the Flitch brush. It's small. I needed something small, so I bought two. And so let's get started. I don't have my tripod. I'm using my hands, so let's see how ugly this is. This is what I'm saying. Like, you shouldn't be spinning an Angora rabbit like this because it should be nice and cloud. I think that's what they say. But look, yeah. So either, let me just hold it this way. Either you can go like this. I don't think this is even. But this will turn fantastic when I card this, so I'm putting it like this, and then let's see how it's going to turn out. Let's put a little bit there, and I'm going to turn this. Too much. Okay. See, it won't turn because I put too much. And need to put the camera so I can use my two hands. I'll be right back. So I need to hold it like this and turn it with my other hand. But for this video, my hands were full and I couldn't grab my tripod. So, and then while I'm doing this, this is what I'm going to do. See, it's pulling. See, this is nice. See how it turns out? So, I'm going to be doing this way. See how this nice it works? And this way I can work with this ugly fiber, and I will turn this into nice and beautiful Angora rabbit. Okay? You don't know what you're buying until you receive it, but so far I did receive beautiful fiber, and I will definitely go back and buy from them. See, there's this green, and yeah, this is how you let me just do this couple of times and I will come back to show you how it looks like. Okay, so I have carded this over and over, and this is the best comes. And here we go. I bought that thing that you put on your head, but I notice it's too wavy. Too much movement, so I need to look for another. It's only $6, thank God. Maybe I can put it on my head, but it goes up and down, and the angle isn't good enough. So this is the fiber so far. Didn't put too much on the carder because I didn't want to, so this is how it looks like. So I'm sure when I spin this will turn fantastic. It's nice and fluffy, but a lot of work to do. Like, I have to card it over and over to get this look. And there's more there, and I found more satin, so I will be carding and mixing it. Okay, so I just wanted to give you some pictures what I'm doing with my new flicker brush. And happy knitting, crocheting, spinning, wherever you are from all over the world. Take care. Bye-bye.